How does LG TV work? LG TVs use advanced display technology, smart features, and multiple connectivity options to provide a high-quality viewing experience. They support various display types like OLED, QLED, and UHD, run on WebOS for smart functionality, and offer multiple input options for external devices. 1. Display technology and picture quality. LG OLED TVs use self-lit pixels to deliver perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and vibrant colors. QLED and nanocell TVs use quantum dot technology for brighter images and improved color accuracy. UHD and LED models provide affordable high-resolution viewing with 4K or 8K support. 2. Smart features and WebOS. LG TVs run on WebOS, a fast and intuitive smart TV platform. Users can access streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus directly from the TV. Voice control with ThinQ AI, Alexa, and Google Assistant allows hands-free navigation. Multitasking features let users browse the web while watching TV. 3. Connectivity and input options. LG TVs come with multiple HDMI and USB ports for external devices like gaming consoles, soundbars, and streaming sticks. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support allow wireless screen mirroring and device pairing. HDMI 2.1 on newer models supports high refresh rates and low latency for gaming. 4. Additional features and customization. LG Magic Remote provides point-and-click navigation, voice search, and universal control. Game Optimizer Mode enhances gaming performance with VRR, variable refresh rate, and ALLM, auto low latency mode. Filmmaker Mode and AI Picture Pro optimize settings for the best cinematic experience. LG TVs offer high-quality visuals, smart functionality, and multiple connectivity options, making them versatile for entertainment, gaming, and smart home integration. With advanced display technology and user-friendly features, LG TVs provide a seamless and immersive viewing experience.